Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Guide. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can enroll on Wells Fargo Bank online. So to get started, first of all, head over to your Google Chrome browser and in the search box type in Wells Fargo and hit the enter. Now you'll be appear with many results. Simply tap on the first results from the appeared screen or from the appeared results. Once you do that, you'll be logged in or you'll be taken to the Wells Fargo Bank homepage. Now from the appeared screen, right there you can see the login form. Right there is the option Enroll. Simply tap on it. Once you do that, you'll be taken to the enrollment page or enrollment site. Now simply fill up all the details. Once you do that, simply tap on continue, and doing so or filling up all the form will successfully help you enroll in your Wells Fargo Bank. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.